Well, we're back. Folks, it's going to happen again. Yes, again. Here I am looking through my notes, searching across the web for something interesting going on in the crypto space. And what do I come across? Son of Baby Doge. What in the world is wrong with these people? We've gone from Doge to Shiba Inu to Baby Doge to Doge C to now son of Baby Doge. I don't know how Baby Doge has a son, but if we click on this and we take a look, it looks like the son of Baby Doge is on a tear, up 1,263% since yesterday. Now, I don't know if it's just a baby meme token or whatever. The point of the matter is it's up 13 times on your money in one day. Let's go ahead and dig into it, see if there's anything to it. So we get to the little load screen and there it is. Son of Baby Doge. They've got an ecosystem, a white paper, contact us. And then they got a little sad sack story here talking about the son of Baby Doge is Baby Doge's favorite son, born when Baby Doge is ready to, born when Baby Doge, something can't read it, is ready to break an all-time high. Doge and wife Doge, Baby Doge's parents, decide to use all their resources to bring happiness to their grandson, son of Baby Doge. Son of Baby Doge will bring the most creative NFT and what in the world is this? This is just, do we take this seriously? I think we have to. It says the most creative NFT and player. This is P2E Games, loved by many influencers. Buy now on PancakeSwap. Folks, we don't have any choice but to take them seriously. They've got their BSC scan down here. They're available on PancakeSwap. They got a link to PooCoin down here. If you're not familiar with PooCoin, it's a place where you can find out if a coin is bogus or not. You don't put a link to PooCoin on your site unless you are serious. So as much as I hate to say this, there is some legitimacy to the son of Baby Doge coin. And you can go in here and you can read their little white paper and see what it's all about. Let's just see what we got here. They're talking about, let's see, smart ideas, son of Baby Doge. Okay, there's a rewrite there. And here's where they start talking about the son of Baby Doge ecosystem. Introduction, their swap exchange, their NFT market, farms and staking. And here's something very interesting, this gamepad. The gamepad, son of Baby Doge gamepad will provide gaming developers a series of gaming pre-launch support, such as selling unique in-game assets in form of NFT farms, NFT auction, and trading marketplace, etc., etc. Son of Baby Doge tokenomics. Here they talk about their liquidity. They talk about their wallet, their NFT and game development and rewards. Okay. And then they have a roadmap. Folks, look at this. This is very serious. They got all the pieces. Son of Baby Doge is in for a great year. We're not going to stop with simply the first release of NFTs, but growing into a farming and peer-to-peer gaming. Our technology stack was created with expansion and speed in mind. So the P2E is play to earn, gain launch, ongoing massive marketing campaigns, additional MetaFloki NFT release, ongoing paid advertising, continuous influencer push. Look, these folks are dead serious. They're dead serious. They know what they're talking about, and it's out here. So the question becomes, how many of these quote unquote meme coins that aren't really memes at all can we stand? If you're a fan, I'd love to see your comments in the comment section. If you think that this coin has absolutely no value, I'd love to see your comments in the comment section about that. As far as a price prediction, Folks, when you go over here and you look at the fact that it's gone up 10 times, or I should say 13 times in 24 hours, you could make a case that this is going to go down just as fast. But the thing that's interesting here is I don't see the market cap, and this is another one of those that has too many coins. It says here the max supply is a quadrillion. I think that's a quadrillion coins there. It has too many freaking coins. I don't see the market cap. It's really, it would be reckless for me to give a price prediction for this coin right now, but just to let you know, when people see something go up this fast, they usually all jump in and try to go for the little ride. There's probably a little bit more ride in this one, but we're gonna have to see some more. Is there really some legitimacy to this project? And it's the you can show me better than you can tell me story again. We need to see this play to earn atmosphere they're going to create. We need to see the player-to-player gaming and the gamepad in action. So I'm looking forward to seeing what they do with Son of Baby Doge. Hope you've enjoyed this. If you're not a subscriber, please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll catch you on the next one.